How to unlink Roblox account on phone. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of connecting your Roblox account to your phone. It's a simple procedure, so follow my instructions carefully. To begin, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. And once our Google homepage is visible, locate the search bar at the top and type in roblox.com. Click enter. This will direct you to the official Roblox website. From there, you can access the various features such as home, profile, friends, and more. However, if you wish to unlink your Roblox account to your phone, click on the top right corner and select the gear icon, that is of settings. And from the drop-down menu, click on settings. Here you will find all the details regarding your profile, including the option to add a phone number if you have linked it to your Roblox account. By clicking on the icon next to your phone number when visible, you can choose to remove it if you only want to unlink your Roblox account to your phone. After entering your password and completing the verification process, your Roblox account will be successfully unlinked to your phone. So this is how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.